Crafty Angels, Vanessa here for Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with some Happy Mail from M&P Art Studios. I was asked on my live if I use stencils, and I told Miss Mariah that I do, and she offered to send me some. So we're going to take a look at what we have. Okay, so here's the packaging, and I see the first. This is what the stencil is going to look like right here. And I might play with these on Friday night. So this one is, they're cut from 75-pound Yupo, 100% polypropylene, I think, synthetic material. And here's what it looks like. See that? That's that one. The name of this one is, let me see, Lattice. It's a 4x8. You can use it for mixed media or whatever. Okay, so we have that one. And here's the next one, what it's going to look like. Oh, now, these are some nice looking stencils here. This is the Snowflake Jacks. It does look like Jacks now, doesn't it? That's that one. Now we have some other stuff in here. Let's see. We have a card that tells me about them, and an additional 10% off when I place an order. Now, I'll read that later. Now we have a couple more stencils here. We have this one. Now, I don't know what it's called, so I can't tell you the name. Then we have this one. These are all some really pretty stencils, and I can't wait. She sent me a little card saying, Vanessa, thank you for being so sweet to us. Anytime. Anytime. And then I have this little envelope here, and we're going to open it and see what's in it. Thank you, P&M. Oh, it's one of their cards. Okay. Thank you very much. And I'm honored to try your stencils out. This will be my first time using them. So we will check them out on one of my Friday lives. Maybe this Friday, maybe next Friday. I don't know. It's a toss-up, guys. It's a toss-up. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please, please be kind, be caring, be safe, be kind, be blessed, be crafty, and most of all, be positive. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now.